Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ismail and my matrix number is 060346. In this company, I'm a business development executive.
Hi, my name is Khadijah Binti Mohamad. My matric number is 059472 and I am Chief Finance Officer in this company.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Azizah. My matric number is 060156. My position in this company is Managing Director. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum to everyone. My name is Ezzanie Binti Jasin. My matric number 059473. In our company, I'm as Chief Operation Officer.
Hello guys, my name is Mohamad Lutfi. My matric number is 059127. So in this company, I am as Chief Production.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Imran Alimin bin Basarudin. My matric number is 059571. My position in this company is Executive Director. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from Muslim.My company. Our specialty is frozen products and our tagline is the best choice for your health. Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm the one who going to introduce you the meaning of the logo. As you can see in the slide, the shape of the logo that we choose is a home shape because the word of home itself means a safe place or a comfort zone to a certain people. Next, as you can see, the flower at the top, this flower we call it peonies. These flowers symbolize good life, good health, happy life, happy marriage, and so on. Prosperity also. Next, the third one, we choose the logo to be in a grey color because the grey itself represents naturality and balance. We all do need balance in our life, whether it's working, eating, and so on. Last but not least, we choose the green color to be in the logo because the green color itself represents harmony, freshness, fertility. We do hope when our customer is buying from us, it brings them a good life, a good health, and so on. Thank you.
Company background. Muslim.My was established in 2010 by doing frozen chicken as the main core business and delivery service as its second core. In 2015, as our business started to mature and have a high demand, we began to expand the product and service.
Company mission: Frozen Muslim food exists to produce premium halal product with top-level quality and brings profit as maximum as possible. Next, our mission is to penetrate overseas market and also create a conducive work environment. Why? The vision is to be the biggest leading frozen Muslim product company in the Southeast Asia. Okay, now we move to the product and service offered by our company. As you can see here, we have frozen chicken, meat, shrimp, squid, clam, crab, and also frozen fish. Most of them we serve by kilo.
Product and service offer. Delivery frozen muslimfood.my. Company delivery until your doorstep. 7 days a week including public holiday. All state in Malaysia. Semenanjung, Malaysia, Sabah and Sarawak.
Our next slide is organization chart. We start with boards of director, next CEO and president, managing director Azizah binti Mohamad Mashar, and our executive director Imran Alimin bin Basarudin, our chief operation Ezzanie binti Jasin, our Chief Development, Mohamad Ismail Bin Amrel, our Chief Finance, Khadijah Binti Mohamad, and our Chief Production, Mohamad Zai'm Lutfi bin Zaidin. Alright, so under Chief Operation, we got Supervisor Operation, Supervisor Crew Operation, Supervisor Operation Control. Next, under Chief Development, we got Supervisor Development Management, Supervisor Development Team, Supervisor International Relations and Alliance. Next, under Chief Finance, we got Supervisor Finance, Supervisor Accounting and Financial Control, Supervisor General Purchasing. Next, under Chief Production, we got Supervisor Production, Supervisor Production Planning, Supervisor Manufacturing, and Head Production Team. Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Azizah, the one who in charge as Managing Director. A Managing Director is the one who is responsible for a daily operation of a company or a business. As you can see in the slide, the second point is I also continuous monitoring the activity of staff and daily operation to ensure the target are met by the end of the day. Next, the third point is I also direct and control the company operation to maintain its market relevant and give strategic guidance to make sure the company achieve its mission and objective. Next, the fourth point is I also act as the person authorized to represent others, in particular an elected representative to go for a conference to represent others. Next, the fifth point is I also in charge to make key decision in a company and report the result to the board members. Let them know. Next, the sixth point, the last one, I also manage day-to-day business and I maintain the quality of product, services and customer support. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imran Alimin bin Basarudin. Now I want to talk about Executive Director responsibility. Number 1. Oversee employers and ensure that project and short and long term and initiative align with company culture. Number 2, provide valuable insight when creating business action plan. Number 3, act as a mentor to company leadership. Number 4, assess the budget need of their organization and create financial report for stakeholder to review. Number 5, create successfully fundraising for organizational as well as community wide goal. Number 6, actively communicate with employers that oversee to motivate them and understand their various perspectives. Number 7, create, maintain, and improve employers' brand processes. Number 8, share feedback with employers so that they may continue to improve the quality of their work.
Hi, I'm Ezzanie. In our company, I'm as Chief Operations Officer. I will be responsible for daily coordination, improvement, and execution of all frozen food manufacturing operations, and of course, manage overall operation. I will also be accountable for cost management, including equipment efficiency, waste, direct labor, and material. Responsibility include interviewing, selection, and hiring, training new and existing employees.
Today, I would like to talk about what is my job as a business development executive and what I do for this company. I determine business expansion plan through the customer and marketing definitions. Secondly, I must facilitate the business growth by working with the customer and business partner. Thirdly, build and maintain high-level relationship with the current potential customer and business partner. And the best thing is, I must develop marketing strategy manage recommendation team, and I also an account manager. And last, I must develop a new or others application and system.
Alright, I am Chief Finance Officer. My responsibilities are assisting in the preparation of budget, second, reconciling daily, monthly and yearly transaction, third, resolve financial dispute raised by the customer service and sales team, fourth, preparing balance sheets, five, identify and address financial risks and opportunity for the company. Now we move to the next slide, source of income. Our highest source of finance income is from the catering service provider, which is 50%. This is because they have buy many products from us in big quantities. Second, our service as supplier, it shows 40%. Last, the civilian, which is visiting our store or by delivery. Next, our annual income throughout our company operating. Starting in 2010, our income only 10,000 ringgit. After next years, we have an increase except in 2015. In 2015, we have decreased because we have technical problems in terms of technology development. But in the coming year, we have improved it and our income continues to increase. Our highest income in 2018 is worth 250,350 ringgit, and it was a success for our company. In 2019, we decreased slightly following the issue of COVID-19, which began to arise and affect our business.
I am as Chief Production. Assalamualaikum. The process to producing the frozen food as halal hub. So, the first thing is planning. Our planning is we have our own store and we will arrange the frozen food at part of room to places our packaging such as meat and seafood at suitable part. We also have our store. The location is at Selangor and we have more branch entire Malaysia. We also bought many types of meat and seafood to sell at our shop and at our branch in entire Malaysia. So we arrange the frozen food based on their part and type. We will make sure that our machine and our frozen food room are clean and follow the standard of procedure twice a month. The process to produce our product will follow the government SOP that standard of procedure step by step before we launch it. Second, our company control based on our quality product, also based on our packaging and cleanliness. Our inventory to launch the product is we make sure the frozen food was safe and the packaging is look better without any fault. Third is compilation. The arrangement in our company is by preparing strategies to improve the quality of company in frozen food market, such as taking order from all consumers out there. We also accept subcontracts to cooperate with us in marketing frozen product widely. We also have our own staff, and our company also hires staff to work part-time, full-time and overtime. Okay, the last of production management is direction. In the work instruction, we urge the staff to do the work according to the instructions to make sure the process of work goes wisely. We also have incentive planning in our company is to ensure that all work streams do not have problems, and the school of work is my responsibility in ensuring that our employees carry out their duties with trust in their respective divisions. So we will go into the part of the process of producing frozen food as halal hub. So the first step is we receive approval from Malaysia Health Ministry with using clean machine and tools to make the process of the frozen food. We also follow the standard of procedure that the Health Ministry push of the process. So we also get approval from hazard analysis critical control point that they will provide awareness on food safety and giving confidence in food safety. Our company also get user friendly, attract customer. That the product also long last, no chemical in food, preservatives required, and efficient packaging. So the next point is we also get approval from Malaysia Islamic Development Department that they push about food safety, cleanliness of food, and packaging. We also has halal certification because that products come from halal industry suppliers. The ingredients, how to process, halal and follow Jakim's standard of procedure to receive approval. So this product based on customer satisfaction. As example, vacuum packaging is chosen for maintaining the food taste. Make the food long last. So this is easy to the customer to choose what they want to buy because already separate.
Strong reasons our products and services to be chosen is number 1, 100% Jakim legitimate Muslim products. Number 2, obtain approval from Jakim and MOH itself. Number 3, our supply can meet the order demand. Number 4, every 10% monthly sale proceeds will be donated to the orphanage.
So, what I do for this company to make it strong for the past 10 years? We have two main strategies. First, we're using a channel strategy. We build an application to make it easier for our customer to buy our products. Indirectly, we make connection with our customer. We're also using a mass advertising like FB ads, YouTube ads, and IG ads. And not forgotten, we're using a franchise strategy. We had our own official store, truck store, and food truck. And second main strategy is we're using a Muslim product. It's more healthier, halal and clean, fresh, and also more nutritious. In the processing factory, we use a modern technology which is a vacuum packaging, eco time, eco power, and we always make sure our product is freshness and nutritious. And with this strategy, make it our company is the best service to the customer compared to another company. We have three our own marketing target. We make catering service to the school, hostel, government, non-government, and factory canteen. And we target to the civilian. Everyone can buy this frozen food. We make a food delivery, and people also can walk into our own official store. And lastly, we supply our product to the supermarket, restaurant, and etc.
Last but not least, for your information, our company location is at Sungai Besar, Selangor.
Future planning in 5 years. In 2021, our company plans to creating 3 to 5 official stores per state. In 2023, we will have truck store with trademark shop to home, especially in rural areas. In 2023, we also plan to have official cafe. Next year, in 2025, we plan to open an official farm to produce our own fresh products with our own brands and expand the market by exporting our products to another country such in Asia and also in Europe.
Conclusion is we have started this company in 2010 in moderation with only a small amount of capital. Since we start this company, there are various challenges and obstacles that we have to overcome to achieve success. Until now, we have been able to expand it and become one of the main producers in the country. The journey of our company, which started in 2010 until now, still far from our goal.